Hi there, this is our Cincinnati turret mill, ex-government department. Quite rare for us to see these, they don't pop up very often, and this is a really gorgeous sort of heavy, good quality mill that when you move the handles and bits and pieces it just moves really nicely. You can tell back in its day it would have been very good quality. So it's in really good working order and condition and ticks over really nicely, and I'm sure the new owner will love it. Alright, so we'll start from the back. Oh, the only thing that we've done with this is the coolant pump was damaged in freight and we've done a wee repair there. So starting from the back there, it's all tidy. You've got your ram and your tiltable head there, etc. Yeah, it's got feed to the table that way, and also cross feed, auto cross feed. It doesn't have power feed up on the knee. You've got a separate motor and gearbox for your feed here. It's got this wee thing here which is possibly some measuring device for that cross. Variable speed, that's your spindle direction there. Then you've got your cross feed motor here with your speeds, etc. And this side it's got your light. Someone's fitted a light there that's not working, the bulb may need replacing. So it's all tidy there. Okay, well we'll start with the manual controls. That's the table, really nice to move up and down. Still got the original handles. Cross feed there, really nice to move. And yeah, very little play there. And the table is gorgeous to move, it feels really nice. It's got quite a nice mechanism there, and yeah, very little play there as well. The move that light back, that's your quill there, and that's nice to use. Okay, we'll pair different bits and pieces up. That's the coolant pump running there. I haven't put fluid in it. I assume it works. Power feed. That's the power feed motors going there. So that's the table going across. I can change those speeds here. That's your second range, first range, B, A, back to C, and then back to the fast range. So that table's going across there and now coming back towards me. It's nice to change through here. You'll hear that feed motor's really quiet. Now this is the cross feed, so that's going in. So I'll drop that down to second range, and now first range. That's in C, now B, and now A, and then back up. So that's nice, ticks over nice and quietly, that motor, and is nice to change. And now I've got it feeding out towards you. So those are the manual movements and the feeds. I'll turn those feed motors off and start the spindle. So basically you've got your left and right, so that's left, stop, and right. Variable speed, so I can slow that right down. I'm in the high range at the moment, so that's fast as it goes there, and medium. I'll show you the low range once I go through the feeds. This is your feed and gauge up and down, and the different speeds. So that's faster, that's slower. So that's changing nicely in the feed speeds and your direction for the feeds. I'll bring that, engage that feed for you. So I brought the quill down and engaged the feed, and it's feeding down now, and it'll kick out soon. Yeah, it's kicked out of the feed now. So that's that. feed set up there. I'll slow that down and put it into low range. And that's low range there. Fastest speed in low range. And slowest. So that's ticking over in its low range there. And I'll stop that. So that's your quill and your feed and your 2 ranges and your variable speed on that spindle. And that's pretty much it. So a good solid American mill, very rare for us to have them pop up. This one's out of a government department that has been truly looked after through its lifetime and is in very, very good original condition and ready to go.